Hello everyone, hey, welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 Day Challenge. So, a great new year to everyone. So, yeah, today is the second day itself. So, let's do a very quick run through. Basically, for Bitcoin itself, is I mean, at least for the crypto market in general, that's the only market that will have an update because the market is still closed generally across the board. So, even tomorrow-wise, I think you'll be opening on the 3rd of January, but let's see how things goes. All right, so anyway, in terms of Bitcoin wise, we still tentatively looks to be a little bit more bearish. As you can see, it's for the, I think, 3rd day in a row, no, actually the 4th day in a row, we actually maintain below the 200-day simple moving average itself. So definitely not a good sign, even though yesterday we did try an attempt to push above and close above it. We actually did not close above it. And you can also see that the volume is actually a lot less. But bearing in mind that there's two insight I get from this, and basically the fact that one, we definitely do have a lack of volume right now. And two, we are definitely in terms of a lull period because people are on their holiday period and stuff like that. So it's definitely tentatively normal, especially in terms of consolidation as well. So both in terms of price action wise and in terms of the time period when this is happening, I don't see it as a necessary a bearish thing, but bearing in mind that we could see further low if there's an increase in terms of a sell-off pressure itself to retest this 40K mark or 41K region itself or 40K region itself. So this will be the next region of interest if the price actually do fall above below this key region of support. So this region I'll be very keen to get in any in terms of long-term hold, but otherwise that's more or less about it. In terms of the forward chart, there is a potential so-called a short opportunity itself, but I'm not necessarily leaning towards a particular short. You could without a doubt look for a particular short, but I would want further consolidation to be a little bit more clear. I'm not tentatively that bearish because ultimately this is a key strong line of support. But bear in mind that we'll be retesting one, twice, third, fourth, and fifth time itself. So if you do want to enter a short, this would be somewhat what I would be suggesting. We'll only be looking to short below the 45.4K region itself with a stop loss right above here at 48.5K, and then we'll have the target around here. So you can slightly have a tighter stop loss in that sense using the 150 simple moving average, but something like this will be where my trigger point will be. So yep, otherwise that's more or less about it. But bear in mind, I personally will not be entering this trade, at least as of this moment in time. But if we do spend a little bit more time over here, perhaps tomorrow when the market does open for traditional financial market like tonight, like the futures market does open and it looks to be a little bit more bearish, it could tentatively lead to it. So I'll probably think about it and I may, okay, let me just look through a couple of signs before I confirm on that. Right, so generally we are making clearer lows on the daily chart itself. On the forward chart itself, we are also making clearer lows. So yep, okay, I'll be putting a sell stop order right over here and then stop loss over here with a first target over here at the 40K, 40.1K region itself. So if that's it, I've come to the end of today. That will be the 4-hour chart setup. I will be changing this over here after this video itself. And with that's it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.